Introducing the NotePad VI Universal Cradle, your indispensable companion for laptop computers. Engineered for seamless integration, its adjustable clips effortlessly secure your device in place, ensuring a snug fit every time. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and innovation with the NotePad VI. Enjoy secure mounting that reliably holds your laptop in place, giving you peace of mind even on bumpy roads or during sudden stops. With a simple slide open mechanism, removing your laptop becomes a breeze, providing unmatched convenience and ease of use. Built with premium injection molded materials, it ensures durability that lasts, keeping your device secure in any condition. Its slim design optimizes cabin space without compromising strength, making it ideal for tight workspaces. Additional support braces minimize movement, always keeping your laptop stable and secure. Installation is quick and hassle-free, with pre-drilled holes allowing you to set up your solution in any vehicle effortlessly. Withstanding rigorous 30-mile-per-hour crash testing per SAE J1455 standard, the NotePad VI ensures unparalleled reliability even in demanding conditions. Enhance productivity with optional accessories like a rugged hub, screen support, LED light, and microphone clip, tailoring your workspace to suit your unique needs. With dimensions accommodating a wide range of laptop sizes and a weight of just 3.5 pounds, the NotePad VI is designed to fit seamlessly into your vehicle. Certified with vibration shock testing and more, it's proven to withstand the toughest environments, and with a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects, your investment is protected.